The question I get a lot is, how can I make money online? It's simple. But before we dive in, hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. And don't forget to hit the little subscribe button, the little bell icon. It ain't going to cost you nothing. And share and like, because it does help support this channel. And I do thank you. The question is, I get a lot is, how can I make money online? And I tell everybody, there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can build like a Shopify store where you're selling products like, like t-shirts or mugs, or you can pull stuff off Amazon and sell stuff for Amazon, Walmart. It's really endless, the stuff. But my favorite and the stuff that I like to do is affiliate marketing. And the reason why, because I'm not dealing with customer service, I'm not dealing with shipping, and no returns. All I'm doing is driving traffic to my product, and once I get a sale, I get a commission. That's how affiliate marketing works. You drive traffic to the product. When the customer buys it, then you get a check. It's that simple. But the skill level to get the traffic, you have to learn it. You have to learn, just like any business or anything, you have to learn the right technique, the right way of doing it. And guess what? Today's your lucky day, and we're here to help. We can show you all the shortcuts, bypass all the learning curves where you're not wasting time and money, because nobody likes wasting time and money when they're trying to make money. So the best way that I would say to make money online is affiliate marketing, because like I said, you're not dealing with any shipping or any kind of products you got to keep up with. All you're doing is driving traffic. And hey, that's, once you get those skills, hey, it's yours. You can sell anything. Doesn't matter what you want to sell. If you want to start a Shopify store later on, go for it. You can do it. But the main thing is to get those skills to where you can sell anything. Because just remember, to drive traffic to a certain product, whether it's a high ticket or a low ticket, when I'm thinking high ticket, whether you're getting a commission off $800 or $900 versus something that's $7 to $30, it's the same amount of work for the $25 commission than it is for trying to get a commission off high ticket. So you always want to look at high ticket stuff, because it's the same amount of work, but the rewards are a lot better, and you don't have to sell if that many products to meet your goal. If your goal is a couple $100 a month, maybe this is a side hustle and you just trying to, because the inflation is so high, everything is so expensive right now, maybe you're just trying to, get your budget up a little bit, to help with this, with all this stuff going on. Or you want to turn this into a real live business, which is really what you want to do. You want to turn this into something that's long term, and you're looking down the road 2-3 years. Where do you want to be in 2 years or a year? Then you want to look at where do you want to be in 5 years? Maybe in 4 years, 3 years, maybe you're thinking, hey, I want to quit my 9-to-5 job. I want to do this full time. Maybe you want to do YouTube. Maybe you want to do a YouTube channel and you want to do it full time. But the way you make money online for beginners, I would say affiliate marketing, because it's going to be the easiest. It's going to be the least expensive to get into. But like I said, all you need is the training. And if you want to know how to do affiliate marketing, drive traffic, build funnels, do everything. We don't do cut and paste, so you'll have to learn it. But once you learn it, hey, you can do anything with it. The world is your oyster. And the good thing about affiliate marketing, you can do it anywhere in the world. You can do it on the beach. You can do it anywhere. All you need is a laptop, maybe a tablet, and some good internet, and you can do it. But if you want to learn these skills and you want to start your online business, then click the first link in the description and we can get started today. We got openings, so I can't say how long that the openings are going to be, but if you want training, if you want your own personal advisor to help walk you through everything, and it's going to push you and help you get your mindset right, and if you're struggling with, hey, I don't know what I want to do, what is my niche, what am I going to sell? That's what the advisor's for. They can help you. Or maybe you do something on the weekend that you want to turn it into a full-time business. Hey, we can help you with it all. And if you're worrying about, what do I need to do? And, what's my first step, second step? Hey, that advisor is going to walk you through everything. Do not worry. And that's one good thing about this, is that we have got you from start to finish. You will not fail. We're going to make sure that you succeed. All you got to do is be willing to put the work in, and we're going to work on your mindset. We're going to take that mind from employee to employer. So, and change all that. You're no more going to be working for somebody. You're going to be the boss. So, and that's what we want to get your mindset, is to get all that changed to where you are your own boss and you can do this. But like I said, if you're interested in changing your lifestyle and you're worried about the economy and you don't know what's going to happen down the road, you're worried about your financial future, and your savings is down, your 401k is down, and you're just trying to make it, hey, we can help you. Once you learn these skills, you'll be good to go. So just keep in mind, if you think you're interested and you want to learn it and you want to start your business today, just click the first link in the description. Let's get started. And wait for another video. I'll see you next week.